Hi you guys, it's me AJ back with another video. This time I wanted to talk to you about the way you can install or could install Pantheon 6.0 on Arch Linux. So you would start by, as a prerequisite, you wanna install an AOR helper like Yay. I like Yay, so you could use Yay, which is short for yet another Yaourt. Yaourt used to be an old AOR helper. It's outdated and unused and unmaintained at this time. So Yay is Pantheon, which is the whole group, and Pantheon unstable, and switchboard plug security and privacy, security dash privacy. And you would start by installing all of these. I would show you. The one thing that I would recommend not installing is Pantheon Music. Pantheon Music has where is it? Pantheon Music has uses Qt as its toolkit, so if you don't want Qt application on your system, or you don't wanna taint your system with Qt application, so don't install it. The other package that uses Qt is Switchboard Plug Online Account, I think. Yeah, if you don't use these packages or have no need for them, so don't install them, because they are gonna weigh down your system with the whole Qt base. The thing that I would do, I would install the whole group and then uninstall Qt, so it's remove the whole application that uses it. The other foreign packages that you would need Yay for are GNOME setting daemon old stable, as I stated in the old video, and G setting desktop schemas old stable. It's at version 3.38, both of them. And Pantheon dogget, it replaces blank, which is I think it's a fork of blank, if I'm not mistaken. So it's the new blank in a way. What else you need? Pantheon default setting, Git, which is the Git version, which let you use the new themes and set the fonts to default Open Sans. Since I'm here, I should mention that the new fonts are the Interfont family, so you should install it by doing EAS enter font. So I got it, so no need to get it, but I get it anyway. And you would set it to 9 as the default font, and title bar also enter bold 9. that's the font that I think that Elementary OS uses in the new release 6.0 Odin. And then the other foreign packages which are necessary: switchboard plug Pantheon tweaks, which installs this right here. So you get to choose the fonts and icons, cursor, sound. Yeah, animation. You get to tweak the whole desktop through this plug. What else? That's about it. No Gala. You need Gala Git because Gala is broken on Arch. I don't know why. When I installed the whole group through the community repo, I couldn't set a background, or the whole desktop was broken. So I installed Gala Git and it got fixed. Everything works as it should, as you can see. And one other thing I should mention is if you want a dark theme, as you can see here on my desktop, and the wing panel and the whole applications, like files for instance. If you need it, then you have to edit this file using the sudo privileges, my text editor of choice, which is nano, and then user share dbus interface sys, and then io.elementary Pantheon accounts service.xml. So you need to edit this file. Go down to this line as it explains here in the file what color scheme the user prefers for the UI. You have three choices: 0, value 0, value 1, value 2. So value 1, if you need the dark theme, you would edit this line here, choose 1, save the file and exit, and reboot your system, and you will have the dark theme. That's about it in a nutshell. Just like to mention these couple of tips for you. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. See you guys.